Wow. Crazy. Absolutely insane, huh? Man, this market is very different today than it was a few days ago, that's for sure. Welcome in, guys. Good morning to you. Happy Tuesday. And we're going to get into a lot of discussions here with the Ethereum ETF. I just woke up, had a good night of sleep. I'm going to try to put my phone up on this thingamabobber. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Give me 1 second. There we go. There we go. All right. Welcome in. Good morning, Jorge. How we doing, man? All right, guys, we got to get into it. Robert, what's going on, man? Good morning. Grab a coffee. Yeah, I know, right? I've already had one, but I think I'm going to have another one. So, guys, Ethereum right now is up 22% in the last 24 hours, 30% in the last 7 days, but really that's the last 48 hours. Ready for blast off. Good morning to you, man. Coinbase, hello. Keep an eye open for Brett. $1 is the nice. So we just got some new information in this morning, guys, on Ethereum. But right now, I mean, with all of this bullish sentiment, it looks as if the altcoin market has bottomed out finally, and we're finally going to get the reversal that we've been waiting for with altcoins. Let me know down below if you guys can hear me okay. There might be a little bit of an echo, but I think we're still pretty solid here. I can go get my headphones if we need to, but wanted to go vertical live with you guys, hang out, cover the news, all of that cool stuff. So let me know that this sounds okay. That would be awesome. But we're still about 60 to 70% away from all-time highs. And I think Ethereum could actually reach all-time highs. If the Ethereum ETF goes through, I think we're looking at the next 2 to 4 months. I really do. I think this is going to basically set the entire market ablaze. I know it's usually boring in the summer months. I didn't think we were going to potentially get an Ethereum ETF. If this goes through this week, which it's looking more and more likely that it will, guys, we could see Ethereum, in my opinion here, hit all-time highs in June, July, or August. I firmly believe that, because this is going to throw all of our former predictions out the window. I mean, we're already, up over 3,700. We actually hit 3,800 this morning. Keep in mind the Ethereum all-time high is only 22% away. We hit it back in November 2021. We got to $4,891. We are not that far away. And if Ethereum ETF gets approved, it is going to unlock a ton of capital that's going to flow into this market. Of course, Ethereum is going to benefit the most, but Bitcoin is up over 71,000 too. So even Bitcoin is looking really, really strong right now. All the altcoins are moving. I mean, basically every altcoin. We've got Lido DAO is the top gainer right now, sitting up 32% up in the green, guys. Lido DAO is the liquid staking platform of choice on Ethereum. 32%. So here's the thing. This whole idea, this is pure speculation. Okay. I think it's much more than pure speculation, in my humble opinion here, Lloyd. What we're reading is not pure speculation. We can definitely start to connect the dots here. Okay. In my opinion here, this is huge. This is absolutely huge. So what we had yesterday, what came out was basically the SEC asking exchanges to update their 19B filings on an accelerated basis for spot Ethereum ETFs. So why would you do that on an accelerated basis the week of the deadline for the Ethereum ETF? That's more than pure speculation. Then we had the Bloomberg analysts, which were giving the chances of us getting an Ethereum ETF around 25%. Now that number has skyrocketed to 75 to 80% chance that it gets done this week. Now keep in mind the deadlines this week. Today is Tuesday, the 21st. On the 23rd is where we have VanEck's deadline. That's Thursday. And then Friday is where we have the deadline for ARK. Now, the other ETFs could quickly be approved too. And this is why the SEC is asking exchanges to update 19B filings, why they're basically gearing everybody up. I mean, I get it, it's speculation until it's a done deal, but this is not just like throwing shit at the wall and seeing what sticks. We've got some indicators here and some news out there that is definitely bullish for the potential of this getting done this week. It would not shock me in the slightest if we got an Ethereum ETF by Friday. If not Friday, early next week, Monday, maybe the news comes out Friday and this thing gets done on Monday. It would not shock me at all, okay? And I don't know about you guys, man, but I did not see this coming. This is super exciting. Regardless, what this tells me is that an Ethereum ETF is coming, even if they, some odd reason, don't get this thing through. I still think all of this sentiment and all of the news that we saw this week is still extremely bullish for Ethereum, for the altcoin market, for the entire space. So guys, I know it's early this morning. I wanted to get on here. I know it's super early on the West Coast. It's only a little after 8 here on the East Coast, but I figured, you know what? Let's get the ball rolling. Let's get up and at it. Let's get this thing moving. And I appreciate you guys for rocking with me here. If you guys would, go ahead and hit that like button. There's over 200 people hanging out with us, only 11 likes. 3 little dots, smash the like button. And guys, please give me your thoughts here in the comment section. What are you thinking? How are you attacking this market? Are your bags already packed? Are you looking still to accumulate various altcoins? Because keep in mind, it's not just about Ethereum here. This, I think, sets the stage for a lot of altcoin movement, and we can take full advantage of this, okay? So I know one thing, I am enjoying the gains right now with Ethereum. Been holding Ethereum and buying Ethereum for a really long time, but you know, we've got some other big gainers. How about Bonk right now, up 28%, guys? Bonk is up 28%. Arbitrum and all of the layer 2s on Ethereum are also pumping right now. So Arbitrum, top 40 crypto, up 24% today. Pepe's up 20%. Pepe may have just set an all-time high. Actually, no, it was 6 days ago, but we're getting dangerously close to that 11.56 number. Pepe could set an all-time high today. At this pace, it should happen, which is crazy to think about. Pepe has just been absolutely crushing it. We've got a lot of cryptos in the green, obviously. Optimism's up 14%. That's tied to Ethereum. Aptos, another top layer one that I really like, it's up 12+%. Filecoin up 10%, so is Stacks. Dogecoin almost up 10%. Caspa's up 9%. Polygon, another layer 2's up 9%. That's a good, Uniswap. How about Uniswap, guys? Uniswap is up 20%. 20% on the news. So that's huge as well. Guys, welcome in. If you guys are new here, make sure you do subscribe to the channel. We're here talking about crypto every single day, whether it's on these, you know, shorts or what do you call it? Vertical lives. We got videos coming out all the time. Always here for you, breaking things down. And we're going to get into some of the news in terms of what people are saying about these Ethereum ETFs. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Tony. Pepe's moving nicely, probably has to do with ETH moving 100%. Just wait and buy the dip after the news. Remember, buy the rumor, sell the news. and then buy the dip. Yeah, Tennessee, I mean, if you're late, if you're already late, it is a thing where you don't want to go chasing waterfalls, right? Or chasing green candles, I guess you would say. Let's see. Crow with knife. Yeah, I hear that. Hey, Zach, would you sell Pepe gains to buy some Solana? I personally am not selling Pepe until the back half of this bull cycle, man. But I'm also not selling Solana either. Well diversified. I've been accumulating Solana for a while. So we've got some breaking news here. Breaking crypto news, guys. You guys ready for this? Breaking crypto news. Crypto markets have officially added $500 billion of market cap since May 1st. 500 billion since May 1st. Bitcoin is now up 22% this month and just 5% away from making a new all-time high that we just set earlier this year when the Bitcoin ETFs went live. This is all happening before our eyes, as many people are expecting the Ethereum ETF approval. Yes, Jacob, that's a really good point. Fidelity had to remove ETH staking from their ETF, and I think that's going to be a trend everywhere. That is the one thing the SEC has been very adamant about. They do not like Ethereum staking, earning that passive yield. And I think once all of these applications are basically edited and they remove this aspect of it, I think it just opens up the entire possibility of Ethereum ETFs being approved very, very soon. So good morning to everybody. We're just popping on here. If you guys have yet to hit that like button, definitely hit the like button. 33 likes. We're getting that number up there a little bit. Guys, subscribe to the channel too. We are climbing on that side of things too, and it's all thanks to you guys. Appreciate you guys so much. We are going to 1 quadrillion by 2030. We are early. Nice. All of this is happening right now. Already tells us this cycle is going to be insane. Yeah, 100%. Emacs in the house. Hey, Big Z, do you think there will be more ETFs like a Shiba ETF, etc.? I think there will be funds down the line for top cryptos for sure. And how they categorize these things, it will be interesting. I'm not 100% sure, but I do think there will be some type of other funds, exchange traded funds, that will include some of the top layer ones, include some of the other top 100 cryptos. I can definitely see that, honestly. But I think for a little while, we're going to have Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. There is some rumors out there that we could have, Litecoin ETFs too. A lot of people have been talking about the potential of getting a Litecoin ETF. Ethereum is now up 31% on the week, just 3% away from breaking its all-time high. Crypto has proven its resilience once again, guys. Unbelievable. So that's the big news. Fidelity has amended spot Ethereum ETF's S1 filing, stating that Trust's Ether will not be staked, basically taking the staking element out of it. And now we've got the ETF from all the analysts we're hearing here this morning. The ETF is standing at over a 90% chance now of approval. Yesterday we were at 75 to 80%. Now it's sitting at 90% chance of approval. Things are ramping up, guys, and expect some volatility here. But it's amazing, actually. The United States is taking a page out of Canada's book here, and if this goes through, Ethereum ETF coming a lot quicker than we thought it would. Keep in mind, this is exactly what Canada did right after the Bitcoin ETF. It was basically a couple months, and then the Ethereum ETF came as well. It looks as if that's happening too. Do you think the ETF is a hedge for AMC and GME short sellers? It's an interesting point. It's probably the same type of investor, right? Hadn't really thought about that, stupid Bitcoin. That's interesting. It has not been approved yet in the United States Universal. It's not guaranteed, but the likelihood and the chances here are extremely high. Extremely high. They have to approve the ETF or else all crypto players will vote for Trump. Interesting, Mark. You think this is a political chess move? That's interesting. That's interesting. What platform do you use to trade? A ton of different platforms, Gear. If you're looking for spot trading, check out my Margex link down below. There's also a link to Bybit and CoinW if you want to trade on the spot market. So those are good places. And then I use Coinbase as my on and off ramp. But if you're looking for a leverage trading platform, guys, Margex is unbelievable. Links down below. People are using my link and getting a 20% sign-on bonus over at Margex, link down below. Let's see, a Sol ETF. That would be nice. I think that could be in the cards. A Solana ETF. I think so. Bitcoin pumped like this during the last short squeeze. Interesting. Wasn't expecting this. Is this another trap? This is speculation. This is definitely, people amped up in buying up Ethereum as much as they can, because if this news goes live, they think, billions of dollars will come into Ethereum. Here's the question you got to ask yourself, guys. Even with Ethereum pumping to 3,700, do you really think that's where it stops? No. So if you zoom out and really look at this holistically, now ideally, hopefully you've been buying throughout the bear market and you're not waiting for green candles. That's one of the things a lot of people fall into. It's a big trap. You don't want to just buy on the euphoria, right, all the time. That's just such a bad way to invest. You want to buy because you have high conviction during the red days. You want to buy when nobody's talking about it, when people are bearish, right? But at the end of the day, if you're asking, Zach, am I too late to Ethereum? It depends on your time horizon. I personally don't think we're too late at 3,700. We're still $1,000 away from all-time high. You got to ask yourself, do you think Ethereum's going to hit an all-time high? I mean, in this cycle? If the answer is no, then you're not too early or you're not too late. Now, will there be faster horses here in this bull cycle? I still think there will be, and I absolutely love Ethereum. Don't get me wrong, but I do think there will be faster horses. I mean, you look at Solana, it's only a fraction of the market cap, right? Ethereum is $452 billion market cap. By the way, it passed MasterCard in market cap recently, just yesterday. 452 billion to Solana's 80 billion, okay? So that's literally what? A 5.5x? Solana's about a 5.5x from Ethereum. So you could expect to see more gains out of some of these smaller market caps. Now there's more risk. I mean, you look at Cardano down here, it just crossed over 50 cents. That's nice. It's only sitting at an $18 billion market cap. Avalanche, which I think has been overlooked a little bit, it's sitting down here at 15 billion, right? Then you've got SHIB, which definitely will benefit, guys, from an Ethereum ETF. Any ERC20 token is going to benefit. So you better believe Shiba Inu is set to benefit big time from an Ethereum ETF. They're sitting at 15 billion right now. I think this is massive for Shiba Inu. Absolutely huge, having this Ethereum ETF. When this goes through, this will be big. Polygon, obviously very tied to Ethereum. All these layer 2s, Polygon, Arbitrum, Optimism are the top three. Massive for all three of these. Pepe, major ERC20 token player. That's why we're seeing it up 23+%. It's still only sub $5 billion market cap. They're getting really close to hitting a $5 billion market cap. And it looks like Pepe just set an all-time high. As we speak on stream, guys. Yep. They have not updated it yet, but Pepe has hit an all-time high. So you have to think, the largest ERC20 tokens are Shiba Inu and Pepe. These cryptos are going to benefit a ton from an Ethereum ETF. You better believe it. Guys, welcome into the stream. Smash that like button. We should have well over 100 likes right now. We are diving in deep here this morning into the Ethereum ETF, keeping you guys up to speed on what's going on. Appreciate all the new subscribers here too to the channel. Really do. We put out tons of content every single day. My X page is down below. We'll probably be on X on a Twitter space later today. So definitely check that out as well. Make sure you guys are following me over on X. Yeah, this is huge, guys. This is huge. A lot of the blue chip meme projects looking really, really good. Doge, Shib, Pepe, Floki, Whiff, Bonk. Remember, when the market moves up, these are much more volatile in the right direction. Okay, you get much bigger gains out of these more speculative plays. Where's Floki at today? Let's see. Floki, I think everything is up, at least some, right? There's Bonk. Bonk is actually flipped Floki in market cap. It's up 30%. Floki still up 11%. So you got Floki at a little over $2 billion market cap. Same thing with Bonk. Bonk, Lido, Dow, Floki are all neck and neck. They're all like right on top of each other in terms of market cap. Lido, Dow's up 35%. This is liquid staking on Ethereum, guys. It is absolutely skyrocketing. That's LIDO. LDO is the ticker. Lido, Dow. Lido, Lido, tomato, tomato. You guys know what I'm talking about. All right, let's see what other news we've got here shaking the industry this morning. Let's see. Yeah, $3,800 Ethereum has just been hit. $3,800 Ethereum has just been hit. Let's see here. Let's put some music on in the background here. What do you guys think? Welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. Yeah, I think these layer twos are going to grow fast as well. You know, Arbitrum, Optimism, Polygon. This is big for all of them. All of the layer twos, the top L2s on Ethereum, this is big. And arguably, you could get more gains out of these L2s. They're just smaller market caps. People are going to flock to these. So the big news this morning, again, if you're just checking in, Fidelity omits staking from spot Ethereum ETF. Okay, we've got more news coming in about BlackRock, guys. More news coming in about BlackRock. This is just in. BlackRock amending Ethereum ETF application after the SEC's request. Approval could be imminent. Again, deadline is coming quickly here on Thursday. So the other thing I talked about in my video this morning, guys, is Standard Chartered Bank. So Standard Chartered predicts that we'll get an Ethereum ETF approved this week. Standard Chartered has been very, very, very bullish on crypto, extremely bullish for a while. And they said this morning, Standard Chartered that is, they expect the US SEC to approve an Ethereum exchange-traded fund this week. The bank forecasts this could bring in 15 to 45 billion in the first year and push Ethereum's price to $8,000. So an Ethereum price target of 8,000 thanks to the ETFs, if and when these go through. It's not even a matter of if, I think it's a matter of when at this point. But we've been saying 8 to 10K for a while now. All right, so this just in, guys. We've got some more information. This just in. Make sure you guys hit that like button for me real quick. This just in. SEC Chair Gary Gensler is set to decide on the Ethereum ETF this Thursday. The initial outlook on this decision was no, although with the Democrats realizing that their anti-crypto stance might lose them votes, the decision could change. I mean, do you understand? I mean, this is literally huge. Huge. Crypto investors, people interested in crypto, the degens could literally be forcing political moves right now. Forcing one political side to get these ETFs out so that they can say, hey, we like crypto too. The Ethereum ETF, get it through, right? Insane. Now, it says here, in terms of the odds here, or the chances, Eric Balkunis over at Bloomberg is giving us an 80 to 85% chance now. So the odds of a spot Ethereum ETF approval are anywhere from 75 to 90% if you go through the different analysts. This is up from 25% just last week. So as of last week, all the analysts were saying 25% chance. Now it's all up to 75% chance, 80% chance, 90% chance of us getting this through. So it says here, eyes on Biden, veto stamp for the SAB 121. What is the SAB 121? It's the SEC's guideline requiring banks to hold customers' crypto on their balance sheets. Why does this matter, you may ask? Well, if this rule remains, banks might continue to shy away from crypto custody, stalling market growth. However, we had a big turn of events. Big turn of events. Last week, the Congress voted to overturn the SEC rule, and now the decision must face Joe Biden. Joe has already stated that he would veto any attempt to overturn SAB 121, but that was before a vote where his majority leader voted against him. So Biden is between a rock and a hard place at this point. Signing the bill would defy Gensler, while vetoing it would oppose Congress. He's got 7 days to make up his mind. The FIT bill is up for a vote on Wednesday and Thursday. It aims to clarify the roles of the CFTC, which they're the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, and the SEC. So this is huge in terms of the SEC's power and what they can say and what they can do as it relates to crypto. All of this is going through a vote right now. So not only do we have the Ethereum ETF approval looming, but we've got some really big news on this front too. So again, the FIT bill is up for a vote on Wednesday or Thursday. This is massive. So I'm actually going to send a tweet right now. So not only do we have the Ethereum ETF potentially being approved, we also have this FIT bill that's set to be voted on, guys. It's a pivotal moment for digital assets, addressing the key issues. It's commodity versus security. This is major. Major, major, major. This is a pivotal moment for crypto. This week is huge. Not only do we have the Ethereum ETFs, but we got this FIT bill being voted on. Wow, this is a huge, huge week for crypto, guys. So many things we're watching, and man, I'm just excited. This is just such a great time to be in this market. Volatility is the name of the game. Volatility equals money in our pockets, and we are extremely volatile this week. Let's go, man. We love it. Absolutely love it. Yeah, this is huge. All right, let's see what else we got here as it relates to Ethereum ETF. Okay, just in. just in 1 minute ago. Here we go, just in. All right, here we go. Just in. SEC asks the NASDAQ and the CBOE to update spot Ethereum ETF filings. Oh, it's game on, baby. Wow. This is getting exciting. Nothing guaranteed just yet, but man, all signs are leaning towards an approval this week. I would be shocked. Oh, let's see here. Appreciate you guys for popping in here. What's going on, everybody? What's going on? What's going on? So keep in mind, guys, we also got huge news this week with Chainlink. Chainlink and the DTCC have completed tests with JP Morgan, Templeton, BNY Mellon, and other major US banks to accelerate the tokenization of funds. Huge financial institutions, including BlackRock and HSBC, have started exploring the options of tokenization, and this concept is becoming a reality. With the growing reliance on blockchain tech and finance, tokenization is becoming a favorable option. Now, keep in mind, BlackRock is building an RWA platform built on top of Ethereum. Why do you think BlackRock wants these Ethereum ETFs now? And Chainlink is going to be a big part of this future too, guys. This RWA space, I think, is set to absolutely explode. Ethereum, Chainlink, and Ondo Finance, to me, are the most interesting assets to be looking at. So again, the breaking crypto news this morning that we've got, guys, Fidelity amends their spot Ethereum ETF S1 filing. They've amended its spot Ethereum ETF S1 filing, explicitly stating that they trust Ether, quote, will not be staked. This update clarifies the handling of Ethereum within the ETF, emphasizing a focus on holding rather than staking. This is big. I don't think we're far away from an ETF approval. I think, as it's crazy for me to say this, but the likelihood of this being approved this week is extremely high. Bloomberg analysts are saying 80 to 90% now of an approval this week with Ethereum ETFs, guys. And again, this is massive for all Ethereum-based tokens. It's massive for altcoins. Guys, keep in mind, Shiba Inu and Pepe are the largest Ethereum ETF beneficiaries outside of Ethereum, in my opinion, and your L2s, right? Arbitrum, Optimism, Polygon, all of that as well. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. So what do you guys think? Do you guys think this is political pressure? Do you guys think this is the Democrats getting this thing through because they don't want to lose votes? Do you guys think that that's actually a real thing that's happening? Let me know down below. I see the Money Man communities down here. That's a future Ethereum meme coin that's currently in pre-sale, the Money Man. That should be fun. We're in. We're in on the pre-sale. We'll see what happens. Very excited about meme coins on Ethereum right now. But yeah, Money Man's in the house. Love it. You guys think that there was political pressure? Christy, thank you so much, by the way, for being a member. Christy Lewis, appreciate you. I think it's interesting. I think there could be some merit to that. Maybe it seems like, it feels like Democrats have finally realized the power we all have as community, as people in crypto, and they realize that we're not just a small group anymore, that we're actually a legitimate force, that could swing the election one way or another. And I think the Democrats want this monkey off their back, if you will. And I think they want to say, hey, look, we're embracing crypto too. No matter what, I don't care, regardless of what political side you're on. I'm not, right or left. I don't categorize. I don't put myself in a box, okay? I think humans are much more fascinating than that. That's my opinion. But I don't care who the hell the person is in there. I just want them to be pro-crypto. That is my life. That is what I do every single day. So I don't give two shits, right? As long as I can do my job, live free in a country that allows me to enjoy capitalism and flourish, then I'm okay. But this is big. It seems like the Democrats have finally realized the power of the crypto community and the fact that we are potentially one-issue voters. A lot of people like to say, the one-issue voters on, these big topics. Well, I think crypto is becoming one of those topics. I mean, literally, guys, it's the future of money. It's the future of finance. There's no doubt that a lot of people feel so strongly about the control of their money and how they can spend it and what they can do and how they're taxed. There's a lot of people who vote strictly on that, right? I mean, think about it. Like, you have the fiscal issues and you have the social issues. A lot of people care about the fiscal issues more so than anything else. And it feels like, a lot of these people's antics on the Democratic side who have been so anti-crypto, it seems like it's backfiring. It seems like that was never going to work. I think this is pretty crazy. An Ethereum ETF could be approved as soon as this week, maybe due to political pressure. It's crazy. Good morning, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome in. We're taking a look at the market, looking really, really strong here. Good morning to you guys. Good morning. What ETH meme coins y'all looking into? Yeah, there's a lot of them, Thomas. I think ETH meme coins are going to pump. One that's currently in pre-sale, Money Man, is one that I think is interesting. I'm in on that one. It is not approved yet. It's not official yet, guys. Big Z in the house. What's up, JB? 100%. The people do not want to be controlled by any government how they can speak and invest in their own money. 100%. Mark Lee says, do you know Democrats versus Republican vote is like 50-50? If all crypto goes for Trump, Joe will be very done. Yeah, I mean, it's definitely a big topic this bull cycle, guys, or this election cycle. Good morning, Fred. What do you think of Gala hacking incident? Yeah, I saw it Southside. Not great, man. I don't know. It's frustrating as hell. I'm still holding my Gala. I'm not going to sell it. I'm right around an average cost of like 6 cents. So we're at like 4 cents right now. I'm going to be patient with them, but it is frustrating. But I mean, they're still a $1.5 billion market cap. They're still ranked in the top 65. They're still really solid. And yeah, they've had a lot of negative news stories, but I still am very bullish on the ecosystem they're building. That's just my 2 cents. But I think a lot of it depends on, you know, how much capital you have in the crypto market, what your position sizes are, how diversified you are, etc. Yeah, I know. It's not the first time either. I know it's frustrating, man. It is. For sure. Still sitting at 4 cents, still alive. Preem is doing really well. Yeah, Luke, I saw that. Yeah, shout out to Preem. The Preem community, absolutely loving it, baby. Setting all-time highs, right? Let's see where we're at. Yeah, we're sitting at 3 cents, $4.63 million market cap. Preem, yeah, blowing past all-time highs. Love it. I'm going to give them a tweet. They just blew past all-time highs recently. Love it. A little company called ATAI. I've talked about them before. Artemis AI. They're pumping today. They're up 56%. ATAI, sitting a little over $2 million market cap. They do have a partnership with NVIDIA, so I like them. Normie, we've talked about this meme coin on base, guys. Meme coins on base, I think, are going to be some others to watch here with an Ethereum ETF lingering. Normie on base, up 54%. Another little small base meme coin pumping a little bit called Moonbase. We've covered them before, up 45%. Let's see here. Mary on Kronos is back up. Big pump on Mary today. Mary's back up to a $25 million market cap. That's good to see. All of our meme coins are pumping, baby. Quick Intel is back up big today as well. Nice to see that. Toshi's up 24%. Pepe's up 23%. Hey, there's Friends. Friends on base. Where's my friends at? They're up 21% today. Pal AI's up 19%. All of your Ethereum-based tokens are pumping. Brett on base, guys, back up over $500 million market cap, looking fantastic, looking really strong after all of that BS that kind of went down. You know, they had a lot of FUD, but they're looking pretty good here. Looking pretty good. Guys, make sure you do subscribe to the channel. That would mean a lot to me. We're going to dive into the further news here a little bit, get into it, see what's going on. Appreciate you guys. Seriously. Appreciate each and every one of you guys. Blessings. It's a beautiful day, beautiful week. Absolutely love it, man. All right, let's see what else we've got here. Any more news coming in here? Let's see here. Okay, what do we got here? So another big thing, okay, so a few big things here this morning, guys. Just to highlight and recap some of this. Standard Chartered Bank says it expects the SEC to approve spot Ethereum ETFs this week. Fidelity files their updated S1 application for its spot Ethereum ETF. And then the SEC is asking the NASDAQ and CBOE to update spot Ethereum ETF filings as well. This is all coming in just this morning, guys. I think we're on the brink of getting these things through. Nothing's guaranteed. Nothing's done until it's done. But yeah, I mean, this is looking extremely bullish. Extremely bullish. So again, we're expected to hear something, I think, by Thursday from what I'm hearing. Thursday is going to be the day to really, really watch. But I mean, just about everywhere you look, people are getting more bullish on the likelihood of this getting approved this week. And again, could it be that there's political pressure? It's very interesting. Bitcoin's moving up too, guys. It's up more than 20% since their local low that they hit, that we hit at 56,000. We bounced off that hard. Once we broke above 68,000, that is huge. That's huge. I think we'll probably come up here and then retest 68,000. If we could stay above 68,000 on Bitcoin, look out. That is where we start to see the potential for parabolic growth. If we bounce off 68K, which I do think will come back down and retest it. Right now we're at 71. It's looking really strong. I think eventually we can come back down, probably test 68K just to see what happens. And if we bounce off that again, look out. Look out. That's where Bitcoin, I think, is going to 100,000. Right now, Ethereum still up 22% here in the last 24. Lido DAO is the leader in the clubhouse right now. Bonk and Pepe. Shout out to the Pepe community. Pepe just crushed through all-time highs again, guys. Pepe has just crushed through all-time highs. Keep your eyes on ERC20 cryptos. Pepe is looking strong. Man, it feels like a lot of things are finally moving in the right direction for us, guys. It feels like the U.S. might be coming around to this whole idea of crypto. It's, man, what a time to be here in the crypto space. I'm going to make some more coffee here. But good morning to everybody. Man, it feels good, doesn't it? Drinking a shot of espresso here. Hello, everybody. Make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe, do all that cool stuff. ETH is finally moving. Yep. Yeah, guys, if you would, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what's up. Is the community token and contract renounced? It's a community. Okay, I don't even know what you guys are talking about. Beam team. Yeah, I like Beam. Gaming side, they're looking good. Those ETH gas fees also looking strong. They moving up. Well, a lot of people will be transacting on the L2s base, which is fine. That's why the L2s are there. Yeah, Gala got hacked. We covered that a little bit earlier. I mean, I'm at a point where my average cost is 6 cents. I'm not going to go sell my Gala at 4 cents because they got hacked again. I mean, it's a pain in the ass. It sucks, but I'm not going to overreact. Coffee turbine firing up. Yeah, just a shot of espresso. Oh yeah, the drip, baby, the drip. Just going to do a quick shot. The drip. Look at that drip. That's that drip. Stock market open. Coming. Shot of espresso down the hatch. Cheers. Price prediction for Pepe, God only knows, man. The floodgates have opened. It's setting all-time highs again. If that don't fire you up. Woo-wee. What's up, what's up, what's up? All right, let's take a look at these markets, guys. There we go. So these are our top gainers right now. Trying to get a better angle here. Hold on. There you go. Okay, so top gainers right now, you've got Lido, Bonk, and Pepe. Look where Arbitrum is, though. There's ETH. Uniswap making some gains. Let's go to crypto bubbles here. Yeah, here's Optimism, 16%. I agree. Arbitrum will not disappoint us. Neither will Optimism. Optimism looks good. We gotta watch these L2s. There's Beam. We were talking about Beam making a little bit of a comeback. Nice reversal here. Beam is on the gaming side. Still looks really good. Polygon's lagging a little bit. Only up 10%, 9.5%. So Pepe just crushed all-time highs, but it's still over a $5 billion market cap, guys. New all-time highs for Pepe. 7 minutes ago. Just got crushed. Actually, it's crushing it right now. Guys, look at Pepe on my indicator. If you guys don't have a trading indicator yet and you're interested in getting one, XT Algo, the links are down below. Look how much money one could have made trading Pepe. Straight up. Like, you don't have to go buy this or anything, but I'm just going to show you. But it is a 30-day money-back guarantee. This is the daily, guys. 18 days ago, the momentum up signal fired. Right here, you would have got an alert sent to your phone. Momentum up at the 808 level before we broke a zero. That's a 48% move to the upside on Pepe using XT Algo. Guys, if you're looking for an indicator that works, XT Algo, it's a company that I built Late last year in August, I went live with it. It's unbelievably useful, okay? That's the Pepe chart. Last time we got momentum up, we're up 40%. Take a look at ETH. Oh my gosh, look at the God candle on Ethereum. That's insane. Now, if we go into the hour by hour, here's where your call was on Ethereum. Look at that upside. That's the last 32 hours. We're up 21% in the last 32 hours. So our indicator, XT Algo, flagged this at $3,135. As soon as that candle closed in the hourly, boom. We're up 21% in the last 32 hours. Yeah, I do like Aerodrome. It is a really good L2 play. I think that's a really good point. Well, Jacob, Lido is up. That's a really good question. Here's my take on that. So Jacob asks, wonder why Lido is up if staking is being removed. Would like to hear your opinion on potential of backroom deal by the SEC and BlackRock's to sacrifice ETH staking to the SEC to get the ETF passed. So it looks as if you're buying Ethereum through the ETF, you're not going to be able to stake it. But it doesn't mean you can't stake it outside the ecosystem or outside the ETFs, right? So these are people electing to still wanting to take advantage of liquid staking, okay, using Lido DAO. Now, will the United States come out and say, hey, the only way you can hold Ethereum is through ETFs? I hope not. I hope not, but that could be a thing. So we have to be prepared for that, right? We know one thing, the SEC doesn't like staking. Now, again, keep in mind that FIT bill that I just talked about. Let me go back to my page here. The FIT bill that we just talked about is huge. So let me show you this. So right here, we've got all this Ethereum ETF stuff coming out, but this is big right here. Right here. The FIT bill is up for a vote on Wednesday and Thursday this week. What this does, guys, is it aims to clarify the roles of the CFTC, the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, and the SEC in regulating digital assets, addressing the key issue, commodity versus security. Now, this is pivotal. Milk Road does a great job with this thread, by the way. Shout out to Milk Road on X. It's a pivotal moment for crypto regulation in the United States. Will it pass? Will it flop? Could be huge. So basically, last week, the Congress voted to overturn the SEC rule, and now the decision must face Biden. Joe has already stated he would veto any attempt to overturn SAB 121, but that was before a vote where his own majority leader voted against him. So this is big. Who's going to have more power, the CFTC or the SEC? If the SEC, if their power is slowly relinquished, guys, this is huge for crypto. We want the CFTC to have much more power. Look at that Pepe chart. Jeez, oh man. Crazy. All right, so that's the Ethereum look here. If we go into BTC, this is the hour by hour. Check out Bitcoin chart. Same thing, using our trading indicator, XT Algo. If you had your alerts set, if you had access to this, again, links are down below. This is my trading indicator that I had built. Last 32 hours, Bitcoin's up 6%. It flashed it at 67,100. Basically said, hey, at 67,100, this is a really good buy. Something is brewing. And we are up over 6% on Bitcoin since that flashed. that flashed on Monday yesterday. Okay, right at 67,100. Again, unbelievable opportunity there to take full advantage. Let's take a look at the Lido chart because I'm sure there was a big potential opportunity here to make money on Lido. Oh yeah, look at this. Big move to the upside, guys. This is just the last 21 hours on Lido. So at $1.79, our momentum up indicator flashed on XT Algo, links down below. We're up 30% in 21 hours. 30% in 21 hours. Let's take a look at XRP. No news on XRP yet, but I think it's we're getting close. So even XRP flashed a momentum up here. There was a potential to make a trade here. By the way, if you guys are interested in leverage trading and using my indicator, leverage trading platform Margex, link down below. 33 hours, it flashed it at 51 cents, guys, and we're up over 5% on XRP. So the trading indicator at XT Algo has been crushing it. Again, you guys can try it risk-free, 30 days, money-back guarantee. Okay? XT Algo, links down below if you guys are interested. This is my trading indicator I had built late last year. Super easy to use, momentum up, momentum down, trading insights. It's going to give you some great opportunities to take advantage of these markets. Set customized alerts sent right to your phone using TradingView app. I show you how to use it. And again, there's a big discount code linked down below, guys. 30-day money-back guarantee. You could try it for 30 days. If you don't like it, full refund. But I think you're going to love it. It's a great tool to have ahead of this bull market. Highly encourage you guys to check it out. All right, let's see what else we got here cooking. Appreciate you guys for being with us. Appreciate all the new people coming and joining us on stream. New subscribers. I see you. I see you in the house. It's a great time to be in crypto, baby. Great time to be in crypto, and we are here at the right time. This just came in this morning, guys. Fidelity updated its Ethereum ETF application, removed staking rewards from the SEC filing. This is big. This is one of the reasons why I think we can get this thing through. The SEC does not like staking. They do not like passive income. Okay? They didn't really like the move from proof of work to proof of stake. I'll tell you this. If Ethereum would have never moved from proof of work to proof of stake, I think we'd already have an Ethereum ETF by now. But I still think we're going to get one here. Okay? Regardless. But this was a big deal. This was a big deal in order for us to get this through. And it's also why you're seeing Lido DAO pump because, you know, it's liquid staking. There's still DeFi applications that are going to allow you to earn yield on your Ethereum. But getting it through the ETFs, they do not want staking a part of it. So that's kind of what's happening right now. No matter what, man, extremely bullish on this news. And I think we're going to get some big news as soon as Thursday. We're set to get it Thursday here. That's the word on the street this morning. What an amazing time. What an amazing time to be in crypto, guys. If you guys have not hit that like button, definitely helps us out if you do. Find those three little dots, smash the like button, pushes us up in the old algorithm. I see all the new people jumping on stream. I see a lot of new faces. Welcome in, guys. Appreciate you guys so much. Really, really do. Appreciate you guys more than you know. So appreciate everybody popping on here. If you want to be part of our conversation, I'm going to go in here and look I just put subscriber only mode. So you got to be a subscriber to comment on here. Just become a subscriber, click that subscribe button, and enter into the conversation. What are you guys thinking? Is this political pressure? Let's see what Wolf of Wall Street says. Is this political pressure? Is this the Democrats saying, hey, we want your votes, crypto community? So, we've got to get this thing approved? It could be. It could be. Last cycle, the dead bottom for ETH was when a group of Bitcoin maxis held spaces celebrating the death of ETH, literally. The last few weeks, the hate for ETH has reached a fever pitch. Multiple people sold all of their Ethereum publicly. There were countless spaces and shows on how Ethereum was dead because of building on Bitcoin and the rise of Solana. Learn to identify bottom signals. Yeah, it's an interesting point here from Scott. And here's the thing. It's always dangerous. It's always dangerous when you get too high or too low. My take on Ethereum has not changed. Now, I have also not ignored the rise of Solana. I have exposure to both. I think there's multiple layer ones here that has the potential to perform really, really well, right? But I mean, all you have to do is look at the Ethereum total value locked. The Ethereum total value locked, if we take a look at this, I mean, it's absolutely insane, okay? They are absolutely crushing every other chain. Ethereum TVL is just insane, okay? We're talking about $75 billion. Ethereum chart looking fantastic, right? So Ethereum's was never going to go away, but there will be some competition, and it's good. It's good competition, in my opinion. You want some other layer ones. Dogecoin pumping, guys. Dogecoin's up 11%, up to almost 17 cents. That's Doge. SHIB climbing as well, up 8%. Avalanche, another top layer one, making some moves. Pepe has been pumping like crazy. Oh my good Lord. Pepe's up 31% and absolutely sending right now. They have just cracked the top 25, guys. Pepe has just cracked the top 25. Let's take a look at Pepe on the charts. Look at this hour by hour. Oh my gosh. Look at the last 10 minutes even. This is the 10-minute chart on Pepe, guys. Insane growth here. Let's go to the 30-minute. Look at these last few candles on Pepe. I mean, XT Algo, again, our indicator. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. The last 34 hours, we're up 32%. We're going up 1% an hour on Pepe. We called it way back here at the 9 flat level. But even if you go into the 1 day, it's even better on Pepe. I mean, again, our trading indicator called it way back here at the 815 level. So the last 18 days, we're up 48% on Pepe. Our trading indicator flagged it right here at the 50815 and said, hey guys, something is brewing here with Pepe. Since that time period, we're up 48%. This is why you give XT Algo a try. Listen, it's a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can cancel at any time, full refund. Links down below. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Appreciate you guys also for popping on here. We are just getting past 9 o'clock here on the East Coast. We went live early this morning. Had to. I could barely sleep last night. I'm so fired up. All right, so we got some new information coming in here from Eleanor Tourette, guys. Here we go. Hearing issuers and exchanges have until 10:30 a.m. Eastern today to update the 19B filings. Looks like staking was a no-go based on Fidelity's update. Also hearing there has been some engagement on S1s, but unclear how substantive. So there you go. Already a crazy day in crypto. Unbelievable, guys. Maybe let's get some tunes on in the background. I don't know if you guys can even hear that. Oh, this is interesting. Just in, U.S. Congressman Emmer says House Republicans will pass his anti-CBDC bill this week. The idea of a central bank digital currency is more than alarming. It is downright un-American. Interesting. How about some interesting insight on the stock market side of things, guys? NVIDIA earnings alone drove 42% and 37% of the S&P 500 year over year. The company also accounted for 11% of the entire S&P 500 return over the last 12 months. Q1 2024, NVIDIA's contribution to the S&P is estimated to reach 40%. Yeah, NVIDIA, man. By the way, they're a blockchain company, guys. NVIDIA is a blockchain company. If you guys don't think blockchain is changing the world as we know it, think again. Nancy Pelosi has approximately 20 million in the market this year so far. Her portfolio has reached all-time highs. Pepe, man, crushing through all-time highs. Unbelievable. All right, this just in early this morning. SEC request signals regulator may be poised to approve filings as soon as Thursday. Interesting perspective here. It's hard to believe this SEC would do us any favors like approving the spot Ethereum ETF, but policy is politics, and crypto has been winning the political battle for months. Maybe the Biden camp saw how many voters Trump could win with a pro-crypto comment and decided to pivot. I think there's a lot of merit to this, guys. What do you guys think? Yeah, Brett's looking great. Jacob, hey, Zach, what do you think of AXL? One of the ones on my watch list that is down. I don't know too much about that one, to be honest with you, Jacob. Wes says, hey, Zach, I'm holding on to XRP. When do you think it'll pump? Listen, we've got to get through the lawsuit. Got to get through the lawsuit first. Yeah, everything is political, Denise. Good point. Pepe will dump harder than ever with this kind of attitude. Waleed, with that kind of attitude, you're not going to win, my friend. The negativity is not going to help you. Pepe has reached all-time highs here, and the floodgates have opened, in my opinion, man. I love Pepe in this cycle. Just over 5 billion market cap. I don't know if you just have hate toward it because you're holding another crypto and not Pepe, and you want to pull everybody else down in the rabbit hole with you, but it's not a good attitude, my friend. Nothing against you. Just giving you my 2 cents on that. I mean, shit, dude. The lawsuit has been dragging since December 2020, since they brought it down. It's crazy. It's It's absolutely nuts. It's crazy how long they've drawn this thing out. Yeah, we talked about it yesterday, George, on our video, that it's crazy. I mean, I did not think Ethereum ETF stuff would heat up later in that day, but yesterday I put a video, guys. I mean, I can show it to you on my channel. I put a video out basically saying, hey, altcoin season is closer than ever, I feel like. We're getting ready to see a big rotation. And yeah, it was this video right here. I'm going all in on altcoins 20 hours ago. I made this video 20 hours ago basically saying, hey, eventually we're going to get a rotation of capital. Get ready. And then we got the Ethereum ETF news. I made this video late last night that it's way bigger than we think. And those were some of the sentiments I shared. You can watch this video on my channel, but those were some of the things I shared in that was that, hey, this is not just about Ethereum, guys. This opens the floodgates to the entire altcoin market. And I firmly believe that. I think Pepe is just beginning too, man. In terms of XRP, I think we're looking at later this year still. I really do. Now, this Ethereum ETF could expedite things, but we're getting close. We're getting close. George, I appreciate you, man. Yeah, I mean, kind of got lucky on it, but I just felt like Bitcoin dominated for so long, and we started to see the slow rotation of capital into Ethereum and altcoins, and we're still waiting for retail to come back in. XT Algo does work on the phone. You could use the TradingView app, okay? But you still have to manually do your trades when you use XT Algo, but you can get access to the indicator on your phone through the TradingView app. And I walk you through all of that. So if you do decide to purchase XT Algo, my trading indicator, I walk you through a 6 step-by-step process. Once you purchase, you'll immediately get an email with me setting you all up, getting you ready. It's like a 20-minute little tutorial, how to use it, how to get ready. So there you go. And anybody who uses XT Algo will tell you how much it's helped them already this year. I mean, the indicator works, guys. You could try it again for 30 days for, risk-free, because you'll get your money back if you don't like it. Links down below. There's a big discount code. If you guys do decide to get it, make sure you use that discount code. Also, again, quick shout out to Margex, our affiliate with leverage trading. If you're interested in leverage trading, guys, that is a great, great platform for you guys to check out. Crypto market is up over 8.5% this morning, guys. So it has not passed, but the possibility is extremely high, and we're looking at Thursday. Hey, we got a super chat coming in from Gino. Thank you so much for the $10 super chat from Canada. Gino says, hey, how are you, Zach? Can you take a look at Coochie? Uh-oh, it's the best luxury meme coin. It's a community coin from Crypto Blood, a month old and on their way to 5 million market cap, contract renounced. All right, brother, because you gave us a super chat, we will take a look at it. Appreciate you, brother. Is it CUCCI? So it looks like this one, huh? Sitting at 4.5 mil. Interesting. Volume's decent. Not financial advice, but there you guys go. Coochie on Solana. Thanks for the super chat, brother. Ethereum waking back up here. Trying to get back to 3,800 as we speak, guys. Man, what a time to be in crypto. What a time to be alive. been amazing, man. Let's see what else we got here. Been rocking with you, Zach, since the SHIB days. What's up, Art Caffeine? Appreciate you, bro. All right, Lark says amendments are pouring in for spot Ethereum ETFs. Fidelity just filed an updated S1 application for its spot Ethereum ETF. BlackRock just refiled an amended Ethereum ETF application. They have until 10:30 a.m. Eastern to do this, guys. Does it seem like the Ethereum ETF approval is inevitable now? Yeah, I would think so. I mean, even if we don't get it somehow this week, which I'd be shocked now at this point if we don't, I mean, there's no way all of this conversation can be had. And I think there's certainly a political chess move being made here. I think the Democratic side is looking at this saying, hey, we better not let crypto bros keep us out of the 2024 election, right? And again, I'm not here to talk politics, but I think no matter what, I think we've pushed the envelope to the point where I think they got to get this approved. Ondo Finance, guys. This is a huge sleeper in my opinion. Major sleeper. Going to be a huge player. Not financial advice, but I absolutely love Ondo here. This RWA narrative, especially once we get these Ethereum ETFs through, keep in mind, BlackRock is building an RWA platform where? On top of the Ethereum blockchain. Guys, if you haven't hit that like button, definitely do so. We've been rocking live here for 82 minutes already this morning. I love hanging out with each and every one of you guys. Drop your comments down below. How are you feeling about Ethereum ETFs? What's your take? Do you think it's a political chess move? What do you think happens to the rest of the market? I want to hear your guys' thoughts down below. Also, if you have yet to subscribe to the channel, I kindly ask you to do so because we're pumping out content every single day for you guys. And definitely join up with a great community of unbelievable people who show up every single day. And man, I cannot thank this community enough for all your support. Without you guys, I'm nothing. And just absolutely love you guys. Appreciate all the time that we spend together, and man, it's amazing. Fidelity has updated its S1 application for a spot Ethereum ETF, indicating that the trust will not stake its Ether holdings. This decision aligns with regulatory requests and is part of a broader trend among Ether ETF issuers responding to SEC guidance. The move comes as several other companies are also preparing to update their filings for Ethereum ETFs with various approval dates set for the coming months. I think we could get it as soon as this week. Yeah, this is what they're talking about. The Ethereum ETF shot up. The chances of it being approved shot up. I'm reading it's much more than 70% right now. It kind of depends on which metric you look at. I was listening to Bloomberg Analyst, and they like it. They like it to be about 85-90% now. All right, so this is interesting. Some new dates to look for here. So Fidelity files updates S1 application for its spot Ethereum ETF approval dates. VanEck, ARK, Hashdex, Franklin, Grayscale, Invesco, BlackRock, Fidelity, Bitwise. So they've given, it looks like they've given these companies longer time periods. Because if you guys remember, these guys below ARK and Hashdex, they were pushed out a little while back. So this is interesting. This could mean that we're still going to get the Ethereum ETF, but just later this year, unless they would they let VanEck and ARK have like first dibs at all of this? This will be interesting. I got to unpack this and see what this means. Let me see if anybody's making sense of this. Yeah, see, I think it'll get stretched until August because BlackRock August 7th. This is actually interesting. And they're the last ones. So an Ethereum ETF, it could, see, after I'm reading this is interesting, guys. This could mean so I'm going to make a post here on this and just see what people say from this. So hold on one sec, guys. Bear with me for just a second. I want to post this right here. Does this mean we will see an Ethereum ETF by August because BlackRock has until August 7th? Trying to make sense of this. Anyone with info? There we go. Let's see what people say on that. Or does this just mean they have until then, but they might all do it like right now, right? So if they all, okay, so wait a minute. So if Fidelity filed their update S1 application, if all of these people file their application quickly, it means that we could get approved still sooner rather than later, right? Because that's what Eleanor Tourette was just saying here too, right? New. Hearing issuers exchanges have until 10:30 a.m. to update their 19B filings. Okay, and so that's 19B filings. Then we got the S1s, which was just mentioned here. So this will be something to watch today, okay? Let's see what other people say here. We still have to unpack this. Wow, Klaus Schwab steps down as the WEF chairman, guys. So approval dates. I wish there was more info here. What are people saying here? Benjamin Cowan says, talked about this on YouTube over a week. Lots of people were busy converting their ETH to SOL at the top of the SOL ETH range. I wasn't. I was buying both. However, generally speaking, alt to ETH pairs are oscillators at best. Yeah. I mean, I love Benjamin as an analyst, but he was very bearish when Ethereum was like 2,500. He thought it was going back to 800. Well, I don't think that happened. But hey, you can't get it right all the time. Nobody does. Even the best analyst out there. Not holding anything against him. It just goes to show you, you can only have so much info. All right, so oh, this is interesting. Major algorithm overhaul incoming for the X platform. It'll be fully powered by AI. There's got to be better sources out here. So the way I'm understanding this, by the way, guys, this whole stuff from Banter. So again, I'm trying to unpack this, and let me know what you guys think about this. The way I'm looking at this is Fidelity just filed their updated S1 application. If everybody else can do so, and okay, so Fidelity's deadline's August 3rd. Fidelity's deadline's August 3rd. They've already filed their S1 application. They've already updated it. So if all of these guys can update it before these deadlines, there's a chance we could still have it this week. That's how I'm understanding this. Because again, Fidelity's deadline was August 3rd. They've already done it. They're already filing their S1 update. Okay, so they have until these dates, but BlackRock is not going to let Fidelity get an edge on them. BlackRock is not going to let VanEck and ARK and Hashdex and Franklin Templeton and Grayscale and Vesco Galaxy Digital. They're not going to allow them to get a head start here. Same thing with Bitwise, which is in December. And I can't see them allowing some of these to go through and then others not to go through until like August. I just don't see that happening. So we'll keep an eye on that. Nobody's responded to my tweet just yet. Still waiting to see. Let me add to this. Or will everyone rush to file the S1 now in order to get the ETH ETF approved this week? Right? Because that's the big question we have here. Eleanor went on vacation this week. Hey, Brett's getting listed to TapBit. Let's go, Brett. Fire up, baby. Where's Brett at? Where's my Brett? There's Britt, Brett's girlfriend. There's Brett. Looking bullish, guys. Brett's looking bullish on base. Bottomed out here, hit that double bottom just like we predicted, and then bang. Look at that double bottom. Just like that. Appreciate everybody for rocking with us. Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe down below. Thanks for the super chat earlier from one of our listeners. That's always appreciated. And guys, it's totally free to hit the like button and subscribe. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so. We're here every single day. And Pepe is going absolutely bonkers right now. Bonk's actually sending. Let's see what else we got here. Pepe is sending, man. Pepe is sending. You love, love, love to see it. SHIB is up 8+%. ETH still trying to reclaim that 3,800. Let's see here. Let's see what people are saying here. Yeah, this is big news right now, guys, just from a macro standpoint. World Economic Forum founder Klaus Schwab steps back from the executive post. Interesting. All right, so that one dude who they thought, Dr. Craig Stephen Wright, was Satoshi Nakamoto, he's not. Massive win for Bitcoin. Judges just published his ruling in the COPA versus Craig Wright lawsuit. He is not the father. Craig Wright is not the father. There's the money man, Mr. Burt. Shout out to Mr. Burt and the Crypto Alliance. If the ETF, Ethereum ETF actually comes through, it will be insane. This is Jesse Eckel coming from Base, okay? Eric Balchunas upping his odds from 25% to 75% at the 11th hour is a big leap. The market was pricing in a denial in May, and even the possibility of Ethereum getting labeled as a security. Keep in mind, Bitcoin is 1.3 trillion in market cap, while ETH is just 376 billion, so much easier to move price-wise. Yeah, not to mention the other altcoins behind ETH, right? And we're way higher than that 376 billion now, by the way. We're 454 billion. Ethereum had the largest growth period in a 24-hour period yesterday ever in its history, by the way. Absolutely insane. They basically grew by Solana's entire market cap yesterday, which is wild. Wild. Current supply on exchanges is at an all-time low of just around 10% total supply. Unlike Bitcoin, there are no miners adding supply to the market. ETH has been deflationary since the merge and actually reducing supply. Plus, lots of people stake ETH, farm it, use it as collateral, etc. And layer twos export it all over the place and use it for DeFi in their ecosystems. Very little liquid ETH out there to meet potential TradFi demand. This is all very bullish for Ethereum, guys. Very bullish. So even if ETH gets decently lower inflows, it'll have an outsized effect on Ethereum, on the price. Even if you don't own any ETH, you should care about this. Even if you don't own any ETH, you should care about this, because when ETH goes up, so will everything else. This is the biggest point. I can't stress this enough. Ethereum unlocks the entire market. A victory for Ethereum is a victory for crypto. That's it, guys. A victory for Ethereum is a victory for crypto. There will be a massive wealth effect that will spill into every corner of crypto, Solana, Avalanche, etc. included. I agree 1000%. These other layer ones, which are smaller market caps, look out, baby, because things are going to get crazy. Couldn't agree more. What's good for ETH is good for all. Agree 1000%. We're going to retweet that. All right, so Barry Silbert, let's see here. Founder, CEO, okay, so he's part of Grayscale. As we position Grayscale for its next phase of growth, excited to welcome Peter Mintzberg as Grayscale CEO, effective August 15th. Joining the Goldman Sachs, Peter has 20 years of experience. Interesting. Sorry, guys, was getting a call. Hold on one sec, guys. All right, there we go. Let's see what else we got here. All right, so Raul Paul has a question. As Fidelity files their amended S1 registration statement removing staking rewards from prospective Ethereum ETF, Raul Paul says, question remains whether the asset managers are allowed to stake the ETH for themselves. If they are able to, then this is the most profitable ETF in the world to run, and they will be motivated to get as much assets as possible. Eric Balchunas, James Seifert, thoughts? We're going to retweet that. That's a really good point. Bears are puking their brains out right now. Shorts are getting massacred. There's a bear blood in the streets. They are so effed. They've been gutted. Absolutely wrecked. We keep going up. The bull market is in the early phase. We're not effing selling. The Bitcoin therapist. I love it. We're going to retweet that too. We're on a retweet frenzy right now. Keep in mind, guys, the deadline for an Ethereum ETF, the first deadline is 2 days away on Thursday. Would you guys live here? Would you live here for a month? Or 1 year? Unlimited food, but you could bring one thing. What is it? That's crazy. That's a crazy thought. Let's see what Rand's highest conviction bets are. And I'll tell you if I agree or disagree with some of these. Arweave has been pumping like crazy. Solana, Toncoin, Near, Rune, Sui, Phantom, Pendle, and then he's got some meme coins down here, Tooker and Gummy. Gummy is his meme coin, I think. I do like Tooker. I know he's a big sponsor with both of these, but of the top ones, I like Sui, Solana, Arweave, and Ton. I mean, Near looks good too. I really like Sui out of this bunch, personally. That's just my 2 cents. I think that has the best potential to be the next Solana of this bull cycle. Keep in mind, guys, Solana 100x'd last bull cycle. People forget that. You can get 100x, not only in meme coins, but you can get it in blue chips. If you just, it's all timing. If you're in at the right time, you can get it. I mean, you could find crazy freaking deals. So that's pretty insane. Guys, I just want to say thank you. We have had such an amazing turnout this morning on this live stream. Thank you for everybody out there who's still rocking with us, who's still hanging out with us here, who's been here the entire time. Even if you just popped in a little bit ago, I just want to say thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, it would mean the world to me if you did that. If you hadn't hit the like button yet, there's only 139 people who've done so. 28,000 people have looked at this stream so far since we've been live, which is insane. So I would appreciate you guys greatly if you hit the like button and subscribe. That is absolutely amazing. Thank you guys. This is phenomenal. And it makes sense, man, because we're getting ready to shift into a whole new stratosphere in this market once these Ethereum ETFs get approved. Yeah, this is big. Kyle's talking about this. I talked about this in my video before I went live. Standard Chartered Bank, which very bullish on crypto. They've got some great analysis and price predictions. They expect the SEC to approve spot Ethereum ETFs. Let's see here. Let's see if anybody has responded to some of the things I mentioned here. Okay, so I could be wrong, but these are all final deadline dates. If VanEck gets approved, it will likely expedite, and you will see the others approved prior to their final deadline date. So I believe we could see it closer to the June timeframe. Interesting. So yeah, here's your actual deadlines, right? Final deadlines over here on the far right. Yeah, and those are the deadlines that we saw, right? But they're not going to allow like one of these companies to get a head start, right? Like they're not going to approve one and like approve them slowly, I don't think. That would be like an unfair advantage. I think if everybody has the potential or opportunity to get these things through, I think they're going to try to do so. This is pretty nuts. Breaking, the median house home sale price hits a new record high of $433,000. Jeez, oh man. My condo was a lot less than that. I think I got a steal. Yeah, this just in recently, guys. The U.S. SEC has reportedly requested that both NASDAQ and the Chicago Board Options Exchange, CBOE, make appropriate updates to their applications to list spot Ethereum ETFs. Kind of sounds like imminent. I agree there, Capital Craft. Chronos memes pumping this morning. Hey, K9 Finance getting listed at CoinW. Nice. If you guys are interested in K9 Finance, I'm a partner with CoinW, one of the leading exchanges. They were out in Dubai at the conference out there, Token 2049. Definitely check it out. You can join CoinW. My links are down below if you're interested in that. I'm so sick of seeing fights on my timeline on Twitter. I don't know about you guys. Yeah, I like this breakdown right here. ETH ETF approved. Coinbase found not guilty. $100,000 Bitcoin. Retail enters the chat. I like it. I like it. Well, this was yesterday. A quick note. Eric Balkunis has increased odds of 75% chance for an Ethereum ETF approval. It's for the 19B4 May 23rd deadline. We also need S1 approvals. It could be weeks to months before we see S1 approvals and thus a live Ethereum ETF. Okay, so this is important. That said, if we're correct and we see these theoretical approvals later this week, it should mean that S1 approvals are a matter of when, not if. I'll go ahead and retweet this. It honestly could be a good thing, even if it's a little bit further, because it gives people like weeks and months to kind of just accumulate. It's like a longer bull period, right? I mean, what do you guys think? Do you think we're better off getting, Vanex says no sleep. Do you think it's better that we get it done this week? Or do you think it would be better like if we had it like a month out, giving people time to like accumulate? Yeah, Bonk has been pumping. Up 34%. Crazy. Bonk's going nuts. Here's your top gainers right now. You've got Lido DAO, Bonk, Pepe, Arbitrum, Uniswap, Ethereum. Amazing. Absolutely crazy. Good morning, family from Dominican Republic. Zach, what's up? Good. What's up, real Dominicans? RDT has entered the chat. My man, what's going on, brother? Be wild to see ETH get back to 4K this week if it happens. Yeah. Bobo's in the house. Bobo community, Pepe community, my lady community. If it does get pushed back, more opportunities will come 100 if we will see a few small cycles to buy and sell overall, accumulate nearer to the actual ETH ETF news. Yeah, I think it's a good point. Regardless, I think we're at this point of no return. I mean, we're getting an Ethereum ETF. It's just, when will it be finalized? When will it go live? Not if, when. I agree with that sentiment 100%. Uniswap is pumping. Ethereum's pumping again. Arbitrum, man. Arbitrum looks really strong. Optimism looks really strong. BitTensor Tau in the AI sector looking good. Yeah, this is big. Guys, Congress is voting on FIT 21. This is what we were talking about earlier on in the stream, guys. The most important crypto bill in history. Coinbase and the crypto industry strongly support it because we need regulatory clarity in America. Stand with crypto and let your representative know your support. FIT 121. This is major. This is happening this week as well, along with this Ethereum ETF hype. We're going to retweet that twice. That is important. Bitcoin rallied 75% in 63 days after the spot ETF was approved. If ETH follows the same trend, if approved, this would take it to $6,446 by July 23rd, assuming we get it approved on May 23rd, right, or this week. That's pretty nuts. That's pretty nuts. Guys, just want to say thank you again for everybody, new subscribers, people who are just finding the stream. Really, really appreciate you guys. If you have yet to hit the like button, definitely do that. And subscribe if you haven't already, guys. Quickly, too, I want to say check out the links down below if you're interested in leverage trading, Margex. Sign up with Margex, get 20% sign-on bonus. And XT Algo. We've been talking about a trading indicator that works. It's my indicator. We went live last August. This thing works. It's a 30-day money-back guarantee. You could check it out. Links down below. And again, just appreciate everybody being here, coming on here, giving you guys all the news and information, breakdowns. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. 95% of the population has no idea how big Ethereum is going to be. I agree. Well, I mean, considering 95% of the people aren't even in crypto yet, yeah. The only thing people remember about Gary Gensler is that he approved the Bitcoin and ETH ETFs. Ryan from Bankless says, assuming Ethereum ETF is approved, Ethereum and Bitcoin will be the only crypto assets with spot ETFs this bull cycle. Other assets will get ETFs, but not this cycle. Bullish ETH. Interesting. What do you guys think? Do you think Litecoin can get one this cycle? Do you think XRP could get one? Do you think other cryptos could get an Ethereum, or excuse me, get an ETF approved ahead of this blow-off cycle? What do you guys think? Or do you think it'll only be Bitcoin and Ethereum? I'm curious to hear what you guys think here. Yeah, I don't know if you guys saw this yesterday. Ethereum flipped MasterCard in market cap when it hit a $440 billion market cap. Now we're at $453 billion. So, yeah, Ethereum is a bigger company than MasterCard. Pretty nuts. Zach, what should we do with SHIB? I mean, SHIB's going to benefit. It's the largest ERC20 token. I mean, if Ethereum ETFs get approved, Shiba Inu is ranked number 12. It's the largest Ethereum-based crypto. It's a big market cap at 15 billion, so it's a little harder to move it. But I mean, look what's happening with Pepe right now. At a $5 billion market cap, it's just setting all-time highs again today. So I think all of your ERC20 tokens are going to pump. I mean, and Ethereum ETFs will pump the entire market. No doubt. Not only does this legitimize Ethereum, this legitimizes the entire industry when these ETFs get approved. It's huge. It's absolutely massive. Top 5 crypto meme coins by market cap. Doge, SHIB, Pepe, WIF, Bonk. Which one of these do you guys like the most? I think Litecoin would be next too, Luke. I agree. Yeah, Real Dominican. Meme coins on Kronos are really solid. Really, really solid. People are definitely overlooking what's happening over on Kronos. 100%. Doge is the OG. But I know SHIB Army's loud. Madness likes Bonk. I like it. Bonk is the smallest one of the 5. So, you know, from that standpoint, it could have the most legs. It is listed on Coinbase where Pepe isn't. So that's kind of interesting. You know, the fact that Pepe's not listed on Coinbase. But I still love Pepe. I mean, obviously. All right, let's see what Wolf of All Streets here says. ETH versus Sol. Want to see something that will blow your mind? Last cycle, Sol topped out at 259. It's currently trading at 180, 30% from its all-time high. ETH topped out at a little under 4,900, and it's basically sitting at 3,800, 22% away from the all-time high. Sol has performed better because it fell further on irrational FTX FUD. But ETH performed better in the bear and is closer to the all-time high. What do you think? Well, yeah, I mean, interesting perspective. I think they're both going to be winners here in this cycle, right? You can also look at it from the perspective of Ethereum is a $450 billion market cap. Solana's $80 billion. So Solana could have more room to run, right? But there's more risk because Solana's not the network effect of Ethereum. And they don't have the total value locked of Ethereum. Solana, it has some good things going for it, right? It's much more scalable thus far than Ethereum. But Ethereum's much more secure than Solana. See, all of these layer 1 blockchains are trying to solve the trilemma, which is being scalable, being secure, and being decentralized. It's very hard to be all 3 at once. That is called solving the trilemma. Caspa is one that I really like that seems to be doing a lot in that regard, right? Caspa's down here. Where's Cas? Ranked 40. I like Cas quite a bit. Look at this all chart. I mean, it's a hell of great looking chart. But the thing is, for the reasons I just outlined, Solana has some things going for it. Obviously, it's a smaller market cap. Ethereum obviously is a granddaddy of them all with all the TVL. I want them both, guys. I don't want to pick one or the other. To me, that's like ignorant. You know, I want to have both in my portfolio, 100%. Because they both offer something different. That's just my 2 cents. Will Ethereum break 4K today? What do you guys think? Will Ethereum break 4K today? This is insane. Tether made more money last quarter than Goldman Sachs. That's wild. That's freaking nuts. But there's no doubt that there's a shift. There's a shift happening right now, guys, with the higher ups, and political pressure is being felt from us, the crypto community. Sorry, guys, real quick, sending a text. Okay. All right, so as of now, I think we've basically covered everything. We've been live for 2 hours. Guys, thank you so much. If you want to subscribe on your way out, that would mean the world to me. We are going to get a Twitter space going, okay? So let me go ahead and set that up right now before you guys leave, I'm going to get you guys all squared away, okay? I want you guys all to come over on Twitter where you guys can interact with me in real time, and we're going to get a Twitter space up and rolling, okay? So don't go anywhere. Hang out with me for a few minutes. I'm going to set this up on my other phone, okay? And I'm going to show you where to go. And we're going to absolutely send this freaking space, all right? We are going to send it, baby. All right, we're going to schedule it. It's 10:02 right now. We're going to schedule it for 10:15. Okay? Boom. We're going to send a tweet. Now, what I want you guys to do is come on over to my profile on X, and there it is. ETH ETF approval, major crypto breakdown. Guys, I need you guys to like this, retweet it, and enter this space. I want all of you guys to come over to Twitter. We are going to absolutely send this to the freaking moon. We are going to fire up, talk about Ethereum ETFs for a while here today. So, guys, come right on over here. My link to my Twitter is down below in the description of this video. Ethereum ETF approval, major crypto breakdown. Hit that heart, hit that retweet, and get ready because we're going to start in 12 minutes, guys. 12 minutes. Come on over. Let's freaking go, all right? So for you guys just checking in, my Twitter page is down below. It's at Z_Humphries. Make sure you're following the right one. There are some phonies and fakes out there, okay? And smash this retweet and like button. Drop a comment down here. Let me know that you're fired up. And we're going right over on Twitter after this, okay? We're going to keep it right here for a second. And I'm going to send this in some groups, but this is what's happening at 10:15, guys. We're talking about Ethereum ETF over on X next, okay? It's right there. I need you guys to smash that like button. I need you guys to retweet that space, okay? And come on over and join us, because it's going to be epic, all right? It's going to be epic. Hopefully you guys can all come over and join me. Hopefully you guys can all come over and join me. I think we'll maybe put, we're gonna add a little bit more here. All right, so far we've got 9 people going. We need to get this thing where 30 people are going, guys. Come on over. We're gonna go right here at 10:15, guys. We're going on Twitter Spaces. I want you guys to come in there and join us. I want you guys to share this for me. Please help. Let's get the word out here. Like it, retweet it. My link to my Twitter's down below. Altcoin season has arrived. Huge crypto news, guys. We're heading over to X. All right, we're going to save it. There we go. ETH ETF approval. Huge crypto news. Altcoin season has arrived. All right, guys, we've got 15 people saying they're going. Hit that retweet button. Smash this like button for us. All right, we're going over there. We're starting in what? 11 minutes. Guys, we are starting in 11 minutes. So you have 11 minutes to come on over here. Set your reminder. You're going to join us right over on X right after this stream. Hopefully you guys have had an unbelievable time here this morning with us. We've been here for 2+ hours covering the Ethereum stuff, covering all the crypto news, and we are going to keep it rolling over on X with a Twitter space. You guys can join the space. Come on over, hit that retweet, hit that like, and join the space here at 10:15, and you can come right up on stage and break down how you're feeling, what you're thinking. And man, thank you again, everybody, for tuning in here this morning to the live stream here on YouTube. So many new faces, so many new subscribers, and I can't wait to see you here over on X talking about the Ethereum ETF. Altcoin season has arrived, guys. Altcoin season is here. We are going to fire it up and get ready to rock and roll here with our space this morning. It's going to be epic. It's going to be epic. So I hope to see everybody over there. Everybody's going to come on over and join us. It's going to be epic. So yeah, if you guys could, share the space, get the word out. All right, now we're up to 25 people who say they're going. Up to 25 people. Guys, keep it flowing, baby. Keep it flowing. Keep sharing this. All right, we're going to fire this thing up. I'm going to go ahead and just retweet it again for the hell of it. 10:15, guys. We are 8 minutes away. We're going to keep it right here, making sure everybody sees this that's popping on here. Guys, we've been live for over 2+ hours, and we're going live right here on X next. Good morning, man. Catching the live on break. What's up, Casey? Casey, hopefully you're coming right over here on X here at 10:15. Let's do this, baby. Share it with the SHIB Army. Share it with the Pepe community. Share it with everybody. Share it with everybody. We might want to put Pepe in here just because they are going nuts right now. You know what? Here we go. Altcoin season. And then we're going to do Pepe, SHIB, Bonk. We're going to put, we'll put Pepe and SHIB in there because they're both ERC20 tokens. Guys, hopefully you're setting a reminder. You're coming over here to join us. If you're just popping on, we've been live here for a while, but we're going to go right over on X, and we are going to fire this thing up at 10:15 in 7 minutes, guys. 7 minutes, we're firing it up. 28 people say they're going. There's 300 people here on this stream. Guys, all 300 of you, follow me on Twitter. The link is down below in the description. It's super easy. We're going right here next. If you guys want to keep this conversation rolling, follow me on Twitter, link down below. My Twitter space is going to be right here. You can even jump right into the conversation and join in. I'll bring you up to speak. It's going to be epic. All right, so we're going right there next, guys. We're going right here next, guys. We're going to this Twitter space next. Hopefully you guys are fired up and ready. I'm going to get all these communities fired up. Guys, we're going right here next. Come over and join us on Twitter, guys. Hit that like on the video. Only 150 likes. Yeah, Real Dominican. I agree, bro. I agree. But we need everybody to come on over here at 10:15. We're 5 minutes away, guys. 5 minutes away. We're going to start the Twitter space in five minutes. 5 minutes, 5 minutes. Starting it up in 5. 5 minutes, guys. We're starting. Guys, make sure you're sharing the space too. How many retweets do we have? 15 retweets. Guys, we should have 30 retweets on this. Even if you can't make the space, come on over here and retweet this on my Twitter page. It's at Z_Humphries. I've got the thing already set up here. It's right here on the top of my page. Smash that freaking retweet button, okay? Even if you freaking can't make it today. Help us out, all right? If you're here, if you're just popping in, we're getting ready to start an unbelievable Twitter space over on Twitter. Come on over, join us. Now we've got 37 people going. We're starting in 3 minutes, guys. Starting in 3 minutes, let's effing go. We need at least 60 people recorded saying they're going. That's our goal here. So help us out with a retweet. Smash this like button. Drop a comment. Send this thing. Let's go. We're going live in a little bit here for Ethereum ETFs. Altcoin season. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it, guys. We're going right here next. 10:15, we're getting it. We are getting it at 10:15. I'll see everybody over there. All right, 21 retweets. We need 4 more retweets. We got 289 people. Even if you're not going to the space, just come over here and retweet it. Just give it a share. Give it a quick share. Let us know that you guys support what we're doing here. Guys, I haven't even eaten anything yet. We're flowing right in here, man. We started grinding at 6:30 this morning. Have not stopped. There's no rest for the wicked, baby. I mean, this is it. This is Ethereum ETFs. It's altcoin season. This is it. This is what we've been waiting for. So we're going all in, baby. I'm going to see everybody over there. Hopefully I see all 280 of you people over here on X. We're starting in 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Ethereum ETF approval. Huge crypto news. Altcoin season. Pepe, SHIB. We're covering it all. You can come up on stage. If you're not familiar with how this works, you can come up with me over on X and share your thoughts, share your opinions. We can have a great conversation. That's what we're going to be doing right now over on X in 2 minutes. If you don't follow me over on X, the link is down below in the description of this video. Come on over. It's at Z_Humphries. Smash this retweet button. Smash this like button. Set your reminder because we're going live in 1 freaking minute. 1 minute. All right. Now we got 46 people going, guys. 46 people going. I know we can ramp this thing up. We can get it to 60 in a minute. We can get it to 60 people in a minute. I have confidence. Give us that retweet. Give us that like. Say that you're going to the show. You don't want to miss it, guys. You don't want to miss it. Come on over on X, guys. All right, we're closing down this stream. We got to get over there and get ready. We're closing down this stream. Let's effing go, guys. I'll see you over here on Twitter, okay? Let's get it, man. Let's get it, guys. Come on over. I'll see you in a few.